Best ceramic cookwares for every kitchen. Are you tired of scrubbing stuck-on food from your pots and pans? Here are the 5 best ceramic cookware options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Carotte Non-Stick Pots and Pan Set. First up is the Carotte Non-Stick Pots and Pan Set, priced at $89.99. The sleek black design caught my eye, and with over 6,000 sold just last month, you can tell it's popular. If you want a high-performance non-stick experience, this is worth a serious look. This cookware set features a titanium non-stick coating, which means food slides right off with minimal effort, making cleanup a breeze. The reinforced die-cast aluminum ensures even heating, so you won't have those frustrating hot spots that can ruin a dish. Plus, the silicone-sealed glass lids let you monitor your cooking without letting heat escape, a huge plus for flavor retention. It's also dishwasher safe, although hand washing is recommended to keep that non-stick surface pristine. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned the handles can get a bit hot during use. Product number 2, Sensart Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. Next, we have the Sensart Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan, available for just $26.99. This pan stands out with its beautiful white ceramic finish, and its non-toxic promise caught my attention. If you're after a healthy frying option that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Made from natural ceramic, this skillet is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PTFE, so you can cook without worrying about toxins leaching into your food. It heats evenly thanks to its heavy-duty cast aluminum base, perfect for making pancakes or searing meats. The ergonomic handle stays cool, which is a huge plus while cooking, and the included tempered glass lid helps prevent spratters while letting you keep an eye on your food. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the non-stick coating can wear off over time. But honestly, if you take good care of it and follow the cleaning recommendations, you'll still get plenty of use out of it. Product number 3, Astercook 21 Pieces Pots and Pans Set. Now let's talk about the Astercook 21 Pieces Pots and Pans Set, which is priced at $59.96. The vibrant pink color is super fun, and the fact that it includes 21 pieces means you're getting a lot for your money. If you want a versatile, full kitchen set, this is worth a serious look. This set features a high-performance non-stick coating, so you can cook healthier meals with less oil. The secure, removable handles make storage a breeze, especially in smaller kitchens. Plus, they're compatible with all heat sources, including induction, which is great if you have different types of stovetops. It's also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup easier than ever. However, some users have pointed out that the removable handles can be a bit tricky to lock in place. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions carefully, they should work just fine. Product number 4, Sensarte Ceramic Cookware Set. Next up is the Sensarte Ceramic Cookware Set, coming in at $79.99. With 14 pieces, this set is perfect for those who want variety and quality in their kitchen. If you're looking for a non-toxic option that's still stylish, this is worth a serious look. This set includes everything from frying pans to a casserole dish, all with a healthy ceramic coating that's free from harmful chemicals. The 4.8mm thick stainless steel bottom ensures even heating on any stovetop, so you won't have to worry about uneven cooking. The Stay Cool handle is a great touch, making it easier to maneuver your pots and pans without burning yourself, and the tempered glass lids allow you to see your food without lifting them. Product number 5, Sensart Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set. Finally, we have the Sensart Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set, retailing for $65.99. With its clean, white design, it looks fantastic in any kitchen, and it includes 13 essential pieces. If you're looking for a healthy, non-toxic cookware option for small families, this is worth a serious look. This set is made from natural ceramic, ensuring no harmful chemicals enter your food. The super non-stick surface makes cooking easy, whether you're making eggs for breakfast or simmering a sauce. The stainless steel bottom makes it compatible with all stovetops, and it can even go in the oven up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, as long as you take off the handle first. Plus, the tempered glass lid helps you monitor your food without any mess. So let's quickly compare all 5 options. The Carotte set is great for high-performance cooking, while the Sensarte frying pan is a solid choice for solo cooking. The Astercook offers a fun and versatile complete set. The Sensarte ceramic cookware is perfect for those wanting variety, and the last Sensarte set is excellent for smaller families.